Welcome back to Majik Cat Security. Today I'm going to go over a quick utility here that I created just to save you a little headache. And we're going to go here, and I'm going to include the URL below. So you'll have that so you can go here. And we're going to do the grab. You should know how to do this by now. Let's see. We'll go here. We're going to elevate the root, and we're going to play with fish. Okay, and yes, I would like to go there. Thank you. Okay, and we're going to clone it into our directory here. We're going to go. Whoop. There we go. Okay, and you would charmod the installer, okay, which it's already done here, but that's what you do. Then you run your installer. Here we go, and it tells you to type myweb to execute it. So then we hit myweb. Now, what's good about this is if you use Apache web server on your Parrot Security operating system, you have a stop and a start in the menu. If you go into here, pardon me, sorry, had to kill that. If you go into system services, you'll see it under here, but this is, as you notice, this is not for the Apache web server, which is also installed by default. So this gives you a quick, easy way to start it. If it gives you an error and it won't start, 9 times out of 10 it's because something else is using port 80. So if you hit 5, we see OK, and the PID is 19952. So I can go to 6 19952. There we go. Okay, now let's check port 80 again. And nothing is on port 80 anymore. See, it's just a handy little utility. So now I could hit start. I could hit 1 and start Apache server if I wanted to. I can restart it, stop it, check the status. See, if we check the status of right now, nothing's running there. So there you go. If it gives you an error, it tells you to read the journal. You can use 7 to do that. It will show you what the errors are telling you. So just a quick, handy little utility that I wrote. That you can install and use. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you very much. Have a good day.